Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and yeah, welcome back to a new video. Bitcoin right now, pretty bullish. It's trying to break out, trying to potentially get to 40,000 if it's able to break above 38,000 right here, which looks more and more likely. So maybe I should have actually also made like some sort of a Bitcoin emergency update. I might still, but alright, we're covering Spell in this video, alright, because that has also been very bullish. With the Signal group actually, which I have, if you don't know, we entered Spell yesterday right here when it spiked up, because what you can see on the chart is that yesterday the open interest already went up a lot, alright, so that went up from 4 to 10 million, which is an increase of about 150%. Usually if the open interest goes up by 150%, it's just you should buy. All right, so that's what I did. And since then it has been quite strong, right? So the main, like what was the case is that when it got that initial bullish momentum, it temporarily, and we're going to zoom into the 1 hour time frame real quick, temporarily it got in this range between 5,300 and 5,900, and then it also broke out above that in the last with the last moves. it's going very quickly, right? I mean, this is obviously there's some sort of manipulation going on with Spell. Maybe DWF Labs is doing something, but there's something going on. You can see that the volume right now is around $34 million, which is pretty great. Most of that volume is coming from Turkish sources, which usually is a reason for manipulation, or at least it's a reason to believe that it's manipulated. But that doesn't matter. I mean, the open interest right now in the last day is up from 3 million to where it is right now at 17 million, which is crazy. That's a 6x of the open interest, which means it's very bullish, and that also means it can continue going up. So if you look at the daily time frame, first of all, on the 4 hour time frame, you'll see that this level, which it is at right now, around 6,800, if you know what I mean. When I say that, obviously it's not $6,800, but it's the price after all of the zeros. That really is the main level. On the daily time frame, you can clearly see that that's the 0.618, and the next resistance level is probably right here between like 7,600 and 8,000. So that would be the next price target. And honestly, I see no reason why it would not get up there. I mean, it's very bullish right now. Spell has a history of spiking, so I do at this moment. Look, it's very bullish. That's the case. So it could turn into two things, and that's either a sustained uptrend, a sustained bull run, or that's a spike and then a dump. So far, I don't know what's most likely yet. All right, I'm sorry, but it seems likely it will get up towards 7,600 and 8,000, maybe even while we're making this video, because it's still rallying. But from there, like the thing is, it's difficult to predict these types of things, right? The most important thing is that you trade carefully. Please do that, all right? Because gas is going to keep spiking, or Spell is going to keep spiking and keep going up. Potentially even like right now, I would say this level right here between 8,800 and 9,000 is quite likely. But the thing is that you have key levels right here at 6,800, you have a key level at 7,500, you have a key level at 8,000, and then you have a key level at 8,800. If it keeps holding those levels as support, which we need to see, we don't know, right? So if it keeps holding those levels as support, then it will just continue going up. So for now, I would say hitting 7,600, which the price is almost at already, and 8,000 is quite likely. And I would even say that it's likely that it will go up to 8,800 and 9,000 afterwards. But that's a little bit risky because, like I said, this could also just be a big spike and then a huge crash instead of a bull run. I think it's a little bit more likely that it's a bull run instead of a spike and crash. But that is something that still needs to be confirmed. That's not confirmed yet, right? Especially not. I mean, this is all happening so quickly right now that it's... yeah, it's dangerous to trade coins like these, all right? So those are at least my thoughts that I have. They're not that many. I will probably have a better analysis tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that. But those are my thoughts. And like I said, if you would have wanted to have a signal on this, consider joining my signal group. There's links down in the description and a pinned comment if you would like to join that. And there you can also get more info. But for now, that's my take on Spell. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.